Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to block a number on Android 15 beta. To block a number, go to Phone app, then choose a contact you want to block. If you have the number saved in contacts, let's click on the contact, then slide down and click on block numbers. You can also report it as spam or not. To unblock numbers, click on unblock numbers. If you don't have the number you want to block saved in contacts, click on three dots in the top right corner, then settings, and now click on blocked numbers. Click on add a number and enter a phone number you want to block. And now this number is blocked. To unblock it, click on an X and press on unblock. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.